friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to save image from a video in DaVinci Resolve. So let me go ahead and drag, for example, a video clip onto my timeline here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this video here into my timeline, and let's choose don't change the frame there. Once you have this video inside DaVinci Resolve, go ahead and click on color, and once the video is there, you can find the frame by simply moving across here from the preview, the section where you want to capture that frame. So let's say I would like to capture the frame of the CV right here. I can simply go ahead and move my cursor to this section here of the video. Then we'll simply go ahead and right click on the video and simply click and grab still. Now you see that it captured the frame on the left hand side. Now go ahead and right click on the frame that you have on the left hand side and simply click and export. Now keep in mind that you want to ensure that the save as type is changed to, for example, a PNG or a JPG. So you want to ensure that you change it to the correct format. So let's say I want that as a PNG. I'm going to go ahead and do so and change the type, change the name of the file. So I'm going to simply call this one CV. Say that's what I wanted to call, and simply click and export. Now if I open up my file explorer, let me go ahead and move it so you can see it, and go to my downloads, which I have it here, and open up this image. You can see that I captured the frame, and this is an image here that I've captured from the video, guys. And that's it, guys. That's how to easily capture images from a video in DaVinci Resolve 19. Very easy and very simple.